bird is not like other birds. He has a big round body with little wings. He cannot fly, but he wants to play with the other birds more than anything. Every day and in many ways, he tries to fly. Then, then he tries again, but nothing worked. Then he thought it might be better to use the tree. Roundbird is determined to fly. It is very hard for the little bird to do, but he climbs the tree. He sits on the branch and takes a deep breath before he jumps and flops his wings. And flops some more, but they don't work. Good thing he made sure there was a pile of leaves. He scrambles out the leaves and sits and thinks a bit. Atop his perch, Roundbird sits and thinks. Hmm, he now knows, even though he wishes hard and tries hard too, there are just some things some birds aren't meant to do.